Well, for the most part, I have most of the lights on. I've got to swap the middle ones there because the two on the right flash together and one on the left, but that's all right. The sign folds up. Ugh. Like that. Rocker panels, I got to swatch out that white light. We got the actuators on the roof mount sign. So that goes up and down. From the sides, oh, I forgot to show you. Side light over here. It's not gonna go all the way up. These are gonna flash white and amber, just so that my nose and tail, when I stick it out there, all work. Put it in reverse. All right, back in park. See, I have more backup light. You can put the roof down. There she is. All I got left is a rack sign, rack lights, work light for the back, and a siren.